Okay, let us see what graph we got here. Oh, cos inverse and sine inverse. Funky. Uh, -1 to 1. Oh, weird. Weird. Yeah, okay. That one is the cos inverse, and that one is the sine inverse. Um, and it's going to be the integration from -1 to this point here. They will be equal at about pi over 4, isn't it? Let's just double check that. Cos inverse pi over 4. Not pi. Do you know what I think they're trying to have us do here? I think they're trying to have us realize that rather than trying to integrate a cos inverse sine inverse function, we should look at this in the y direction. So if you were to look up to here, at this point here, um, yeah, um, let me think now. √2 divided by 2. I think this here would be √2 divided by 2. No, no, sorry, no, that's wrong. Um, just got to be careful. This y-axis is the axis with the angles on it, because y is cos inverse. So cos inverse √2 divided by 2 is pi over 4, which is 0. Yeah, okay, so that's pi over 4 there, and that's √2 over 2. So if I split this here, let's start by getting this area. So on the y-axis, and that there is pi. So it'd be the integration from pi over 4 to pi, and that is cos x dx. So that would be sine pi minus sine pi over 4. So that's what oh, it crosses the axis, doesn't it? So I should minus the lower function, which is y equals, yeah, so this one here, which is -1. So it should be cos x. So yeah, it should be cos x minus -1. And it's not x, sorry, it's y, dy. Okay, so that would be sine y plus y, pi and pi over 4. Sine pi is 0, and that's pi, and then minus sine pi over 4. So that's minus √2 over 2, and then minus pi over 4. So that is 3/4 pi minus √2 over 2. Okay. That gives me that piece. I think everything here is symmetric and periodic, so that should give me that piece as well. There's just two of these. So it's just this area here. So that's going to be integration from pi over 4 to this point here, which is pi over 2. The upper function, which is 1 here, minus the lower function, which is sine y dy. So that would be y plus cos y, pi over 2 to pi over 4. So that would be pi over 2 plus cos pi over 2, which is 0, minus pi over 4 minus root 2 over 2. Okay, so that is pi over 4 minus root 2 over 2. Okay, so the total area would be twice the sum of these. Root 2. 2 pi. Oh, man, it'd be so nice if this was right. 2 pi minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 times minus pi is 2 pi. And minus 2 times root 2 is minus 2 root 2. I don't know why they wrote the answer like this. But it's correct. Yeah, that area there. Woo! Success.